Skyler with Ignite Attachments. Here with our 96-inch snow blade. How to adjust the tension on the trip spring here. So if you're cruising through the parking lot, hit a curb, manhole, anything like that, this blade will break away so you don't damage your equipment, machine, but more importantly yourself. So we'll compress the spring to add more tension, lengthen the spring to have less tension, make it a little softer. And then for skid shoes, adjust them, simply remove your pin, pull the washers off, stack on the bottom, put your pin back in. That way you can adjust your skids to run right at the top of your concrete. Leave a little gap there so you don't wreck anything. If you do push over into grass after clearing a parking lot, you won't destroy the grass with your blade. Keep it just right above the surface there. So we'll show you how to do that. So this is a 2 1/4 inch nut on here, so you can get a bigger wrench or you can get an adjustable wrench. Large vice grips also work. It's a little more work, but they do work if you can get on there. Just have the big adjustable wrench here, and you spin it up or down depending on how you want it. So you can compress it, make it stiffer, lengthen it to make it softer. Now that we have the spring tension set on our snow blade, I'm going to install one of these poly cutting edges that we offer at igniteattachments.com. Change out the steel one so it's a little softer in all your concrete. If you've got pavers or anything like that, stamp concrete, you won't destroy it. They're just a 7/16 bolt. You'll need to source a bolt that's about a 1/2 inch longer. These are 1 1/2 inch, so if you grab some 2-inch bolts and some washers, you'll be able to put this thing on there no problem. Blade, there's 10 bolts. They are a 5/8 head on them with the nut on the back, so zip those off. Now that our original cutting edge is off, we just lay it on top of our poly one, line up your edges, mark all your holes. I'd drill them just a little bit bigger than the factory holes, that way in case something's a little off, you got a little room to play with. Grab a speed square. You can get a speed square. If you want to mark the middle of your holes here, a little easier to put a drill bit through it. Grab a block of wood, put underneath so you don't wreck your drill bit, wreck your counter, anything like that. Also, these spade bits work really well to drill through these. You get some fun pigtails here. That's kind of neat. Now that you got your holes drilled, and if you're lucky, someone will clean up the mess you just made. Take your new bolts with a washer, and we're just going to thread everything through and make sure they fit. Line them up all loose before you suck them down and make them tight. It's also a pretty cool light material snow bucket that is also efficient at moving snow like this bad boy is. Cool. Everything's available at igniteattachments.com. Ready to be shipped to your door, free shipping. If it's in stock, it says in stock. If not, you hit the notify me button. Thanks for watching.